The carbon cycle. What is the carbon cycle? The carbon cycle is the ebbs and flows of the different areas of storage for carbon on Earth. This continuous exchange of carbon on our planet is important to every natural system on Earth. Slow and fast carbon cycles. NASA Earth Observatory describes the carbon cycle happening in two different ways, slow and fast. Through a series of chemical reactions and tectonic activity, carbon takes between 100 and 200 million years to move between rocks, soil, ocean, and atmosphere in the slow carbon cycle. This is how NASA Earth Observatory talks about the slow carbon cycle. Rain is combined with the carbon in the atmosphere, which falls to Earth and creates carbonic acid. This then breaks down rocks through chemical weathering and washes the different ions into water sources all over the globe. In the ocean, these ions create calcium carbonate, which is used to create protective shells for different living things. After these shells are discarded or break, they then create various layers of rock in the ocean, which is where the carbon is stored. NASA Earth Observatory says only 80% of carbon-containing rock is currently made this way. The remaining 20% contain carbon from living things, organic carbon, that have been embedded in layers of mud. The rest of the 20% is from various fossil fuels in the ground. The way that this carbon makes it back to the atmosphere is through volcanoes, where heat and pressure from the collision of tectonic plates allows this side of carbon cycle to begin again. Fast carbon cycle. This cycle takes place over a much shorter period of time than the millions of years it takes for the slow carbon cycle. NASA Earth Observatory claims that plants and phytoplankton are the key players when it comes to the fast carbon cycle. These organisms use photosynthesis to turn carbon dioxide in the air into energy. The carbon is then able to be repeated as these organisms die, and the carbon they were made out of is then released back into the air. Thank you.